Let me show you how I used AI to model my dresses to post on Facebook and other platform. You can using a prompt, you can ask AI to generate any kind of model you want. So this is the model I created using AI. So let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and search for gemini.google.com. Click on it. So once you click on it, it brings up this interface. The next thing you want to do is to click on this plus button. This plus button you see on where they said Ask Gemini. You see the plus button. You click on the plus button to upload your image. It said upload file. So I'm going to go to my file and select the picture I want to use for my model. Okay, so let's use this picture. So you give it some time for the picture to upload. Once the picture is uploaded, you start typing in your prompt. So here is my prompt. I said generate a female model wearing the dress, catwalking and smiling on a runway with natural lighting and a clear facial features. So I'm going to press send. So it's going to take a few minutes for this to generate, so you have to give it some time. I tell you guys, this is so easy. The key thing to note here is your prompt, because whatever you give to the AI, that is what they are going to give back to you. And if they've given back to you the image and you don't like the outcome of it, you can always correct it, add more prompts. So here is the image. I'm going to click on it to see how it is. So if I don't like the outcome or the result, I'm going to add more prompts. And I think I like this. This is beautiful. So I'm going to give a long press, then download the image. You can as well change the name. So guys, as you can see, it's downloaded. So I'll go to my photos and I'm going to see this picture right there. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and share. Also leave a comment. Someone needs this video, so as much as we can share it so that it can get to as many people that need this video for their business. So do well to practice and give us your feedback.